Hello, everyone. Welcome. Today on Sunday. Yes, it's actually Sunday today. We have here an additional of the weekend edition, Saturday, Sunday, January the 13th, 14th, 2024. We have in this additional extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. It's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Otherwise it will be a day job for me. So 4 out of 7 I will do, and in the evening we have also the Samurai Sudoku, aka Quintuplet. Alright? This one, the 3 stars Sudoku, number 7796. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, I have not counted yet. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 27 printed digits. Well. Usually the 3 star Sudoku has 25, so this one has 2 digits more. Should be a 1 star. 1 star puzzle has always 27, and for 1 star puzzle I need to be faster than 50 minutes, but it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which digits can I pick. How about the number 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for 4, it should be there. Then 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, so in the last column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below, so last row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 4. How about the 7? 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column, so the third column, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 in the first row, no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. Alright. 7. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. We have 7 in this column, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 7 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in that row, so the row between only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 7. We already have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. Alright. Alright. And now. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 1. We have 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. We have 1 in the third row, so no 1 in that box. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, okay. 1. 1. Well, 1. Cannot continue with 1 now, need to wait. How about these two missing numbers in the last column for numbers? The 1, 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. Alright. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So the last row, only place level 3 should be there. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. Okay. How about a 5 in this row? Last row, 5 in the row above. So that row, the only place level 5 should be there. Well, we have here 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the last row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 place left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 place left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the first column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 place left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 1. Okay. Alright. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7, 8. 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here and then 9 goes there. 6 in this column. 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place level the 6 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this middle column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9 cannot fill this yet. The other pair in this big square other numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the middle row. No 8 there. 8 should be and the 2 goes there. Alright, so and now the 2 here. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing and 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 9 in the second row. No 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. 8. 8, 9, and 6. 8. Then. Let me see. How about the number? Yeah. Number, I'm thinking 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, only place level 5 should be there. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. Need a 5 here, cannot continue with the 5 now. How about 1 box left in the middle row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing here. So we have a 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next on that column. The only 2 place level 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the last row for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. It means 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 box left in this row. For number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. Alright. And now. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then here we have 2 missing. Oh, yeah, 2 missing numbers. 2 missing numbers in the third row for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the third row, so no row between. In the second row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 3. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Well. Here we have also 2 and 8, but we have a 2 now in this big square. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And 8 goes there. So 1 box left in this big square for number 8. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 6 in this column, third column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. A 2 and 8, we have a 2 now in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Here we have 2 missing numbers, a 9 and a 5. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for number 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Wow! Told you need to be faster than 15 minutes with the 27 printed digits. Cannot be a 3 stars, 2 stars, 1 star. Should be at 0 stars. And we solve it again. Thank you for watching. We will meet you again in a minute. Thank you for watching again. Yeah, see you then. Bye-bye for now.